Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. Hi, how are you guys doing? Welcome back. I'm here today to react to another video from the group Now United, Meet the Member. So we come back to the US and Noah. I believe I said I reacted to one of the videos and I was like, he must be from California because he's giving me California isms. So let's see what he has to say.
Growing up, I went to a lot of concerts. And I'd always see these big bands at these big arenas and everyone uniting together just to celebrate music. And I always thought that was incredible. Usually people don't really realize what they want to do, but from any like 10
I want to do some
like,
BTS from their concerts.
I don't care what any of you guys say, there's nothing stopping me. I've always wanted to be that person on stage, getting everyone together.
That's him?
Smiles on everyone's faces.
No way. That is him.
Growing up in California has
Told
been
you.
pretty incredible. It's awesome living in Orange County. I don't know, it's wild. It's really shaped
Orange
me
County.
the person I am today, and I'm very blessed to live here.
Okay.
I'm 100% proud to be a California boy.
Woo woo.
My childhood was really fun. I can't think of a time where I was never not doing something. I grew up playing baseball, but I grew up going to the beach a lot. I never surfed though.
Of course.
All my friends surf.
You didn't
I don't
surf?
Or skate. It's weird. I live in California and I don't
Or
do
skate?
those things, but I play guitar, so I guess that's like, it's all right.
Yeah, close enough. He did one of the three.
I was always singing in the car. My brother would always punch me and say, stop singing. But I'm like, I can't, it just happens. But I never acted on it. My sister, she did a play when she was about 12, and I saw her on stage and I was like, hey mom, like, I can do that. So I did my first play and I absolutely fell in love with music and dancing, and I never wanted to stop. So I haven't. So when I first walked out on stage for the first time, I was very scared. Like my stomach was turning, so much was going on through my brain.
Those pretty faces always make you stand out in a crowd.
I would get really nervous before a show, and once I stepped on stage, all those feelings would just go away, and I'd have so much fun performing. It's like I broke a barrier.
Plans prosper and not to harm you.
So I've also been acting since I was like 10 years old. TV shows, commercials, and movies.
I know I've seen him before.
Just 'cause the way the
Yes!
It ain't right. That's what kids do to me at school.
And one thing I've learned from that is don't be afraid of the word no, because you're gonna hear it a lot.
Oh my God.
What you do. So yeah, just always keep your head up and keep plowing through.
Oh my God, I know that one. Oh my
So I
God.
see myself as
So I've seen them before.
Because I'm an actor. I play guitar, I play drums, I play bass, I play piano, I sing.
No,
I
he's from
dance.
California, you know. Actor, model, singer. I'm like, I'm from California. I believe you.
To be 100% honest with you, when Simon called my name, all these emotions were coming over me. And I didn't really know how I felt. I was like, oh my God, like they picked me, but I was also like really sad too, because Josh, who's like my best friend throughout the week, he didn't get picked, and I was like, oh my God, like I'm so sorry. But yet I was so excited for myself. You know, it was just such an intense feeling. And then when he called Josh, that's when I really like lost it. That's when I started crying and stuff. I feel like I could fall
Friendships.
It's Now United.
I'm insanely proud of myself.
Let's get it started. Let's go.
Ever since I was 10, I was like, no, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. So I'm gonna work.
Damn, I should have went forward with my dreams. I just stopped.
So I'm really excited about this project because I think it's gonna make this world a better place.
Oh, look at that, world unity.
In the world, if everyone really understood what it's like to be from all these different countries. Because from boot camp and learning just a little bit about their cultures and where they're from has changed my view just on life.
Look at that. Now United.
And also, I just want to tell everyone that anyone from anywhere can do.
Thank you for that, Noah. Thank you for that, sir. Thank you for that. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you guys. I like this girl. Thanks, Noah, the Californian. I want to say over and over again, I really do like this group. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. As always, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thanks for watching. Bye.